my channel. I am Trisha Gupta and today I am gonna swatch and review Mars Cosmetics newest launch, their Lip Fuzz Blurring Lip Creams. I have four shades with me that I'm gonna swatch today. So as it's a new launch, currently it's only available on Mars Cosmetics website. Slowly they will launch this in different platforms like Nykaa and Myntra as well. But अभी उनके website पे ही available है. I'm very excited. So saying that, let's get started. So this is what the outer packaging looks like, and this is the inner packaging. The packaging is simple and good, but the applicator is different. It's like Maybelline concealer wala applicator. It's like your soft fluffy ball, soft and furry kind of texture. Now just like Maybelline concealer, you have to twist and get the product out. अभी new है इसलिए like 20 to 25 twist लग रहे हैं. उसके बाद एक twist या दो twist is enough. One more thing I want to clear, एक बार प्रोडक्ट बाहर आ गया तो वापस अंदर नहीं जाएगा. वंस द प्रोडक्ट इज आउट इट कांट गो बैक इन. नो, it has a very basic liquid lipstick smell. Anyways, the first shade that I'm trying is Moody Mauve 04. Let me tell you, it's my favorite out of the batch. It's a very pretty pink shade. The formula glides on easily, feels like a moussey cream texture. It's not extremely moussey like the matte moussey one, but still more on that creamy side, and formula is pigmented. Like one layer is enough, but I will suggest you to apply multiple layers to build the pigment. Anyways, this shade is a very pretty pink shade. Personally, I really like it. It's like neutral with a hint of warm undertone, and this will suit, I think, fair to light medium skin tones without lip liner. On me, it's not your like nude shade, but if you are medium skin tone, this will look like a nude pink. And here's a quick close up. As you can see, it's not a nude on me, it's a very pretty pink shade. Because of monsoon season, I'm having lighting issues, so I'm showing you the lipstick in different angles. So let me know if you like this angle and this type of shooting. If you like it, then I will make more videos like this in future. According to me, it's my personal favorite, and I think it's a must try shade if you're around my skin tone. Now let's do a transfer test. They are not supposed to be transfer proof, and they are not transfer proof. And one more thing, they claim to be blurring. So in close up you can see my lip lines, but it's still giving me that blurring effect. The next shade that I have is Velvet Rush 05. Personally, it's my least favorite shade. Not that the shade is bad, it's a very pretty pink shade, but it's basically like purple, and I am not a big fan of purplish pink. I like my mauve pink, but this is too purple for my liking. Like, if you have cool undertone, I think this will look good on you, cool and olive girls, but on me, I don't like it. This will suit fair to light medium skin tones. And let me tell you, this lighting is bad. I will show you the zoom up. It's a bit deeper in real life. This is the real shade, and I'm really sorry, due to monsoon season I'm facing some lighting issues. But yeah, this shade is not my favorite, but yeah, it's a very pretty purplish pink shade. Next I have Soft Core 07, and it's a very pretty red shade with the orangish undertone, but it's not that warm or that orangish. If I talk about the formula is not that drying on my lips, but I will still suggest you to do a lip care beforehand because it's not super hydrating either. For everyone who questions me कि आपके shades different क्यों दिख रहे होते हैं, this is me under a bit of sunlight. It's looking warm. I'm getting a warm light, and all of a sudden the light changed. Cloudy weather हो गया, and you can see now everything is more cool undertone because अब light नहीं है, sunlight नहीं है, and that makes a huge difference when you are showing lipstick shades. And बहुत लोग मुझे इस पे question करते हैं कि क्यों different है, but here's a close up. You can see the shade for yourself. But yeah, please keep that in mind ki lighting makes a huge difference. If I am under sunlight, it will look a bit warmer, and if I am not under direct sunlight, it's gonna look a bit cooler. One more thing, if someone wants to know कि कोई tint छोड़ता है कि नहीं, कोई टिंट नहीं छोड़ता है, कोई आफ्टर टिंट नहीं है. वंस यू रिमूव इट द लिपस्टिक इज गॉन. सो कोई आफ्टर स्टेन नहीं छोड़ता है आपके लिप्स पे. नाउ द लास्ट शेड दैट आई हैव इज Rose Blur number 10. It's a very pretty, deep, warm, chocolatey kind of shade that will suit so many Indian skin tones. It's a very brown girl friendly shade. And if you have pigmented lips, don't worry, this will work for you. Just apply like two layers. First layer, you can still see a bit of that pigmentation. Two layers, and you are sorted. Because the more layers you apply, the darker the pigment gets. And just look at that shade. This shade will look so bomb on tan and dusky skin tone girlies. If you have a darker skin tone, I think this shade is a must try for you. It's a very dark bold shade for me, but for tan girlies, it's gonna be bomb. Here's a close up, and I want to say I personally think it's a mix of like neutral and warm. It's not extremely warm, it's not extremely neutral. It's like a dark chocolate shade for me. Before I end this video, I want to share something with you. This is how I personally like to use this lipstick. So I have a lip liner on. I will take any shade because I personally like sheer formula for day to day wear. मैं इसे स्वाइप करने की जगह टैप करूंगी. दैट वे आई एम गेटिंग लेस पिगमेंट. इट्स लुकिंग लाइक अ वेरी मूजी सॉर्ट ऑफ नेचुरल फिनिश. दिस ट्रिक ऑल्सो वर्क्स इन डीप डार्क शेड्स. तब थोड़ा लाइटर फिनिश आता है. Here's my final review. First, let's talk about the packaging. The packaging quality is good. It's made of plastic. The applicator is very similar to the Maybelline concealer applicator. I want to clear one thing. The first time you will try this product, it will take time for the product to come out. You have to twist like 20 to 25 times to get the product out for the first time. After that, it's totally fine. Let's talk about the formula. The formula feels like creamy, moussey sort of texture, but it's not as moussey or as creamy as the Mars moussey lipsticks. मैं यहाँ पे फोटो दे दूंगी. इस वाले लिपस्टिक के कंपैरिजन में this one is less moussey and less creamy. This one is the OG. This is viral for all the good reason. Even this is creamy and moussey, but this one is on different level. But still, I feel the formula is very comfortable to wear. It gives you a very pretty matte finish. It gives you that blurring effect as well, but the blurring effect is not that much. थोड़ा सा ही blurring effect दिखता है मुझे, but still very comfortable. And I will say the formula is very pigmented. The more layers you apply, the darker the pigment gets. आई पर्सनली लाइक द शेयर पिगमेंट, सो मैं थोड़ा सा ही अप्लाई करके ब्लेंड करना प्रेफर करती हूँ. बट यू कैन अप्लाई मल्टीपल लेयर्स एंड बिल्ड द पिगमेंट. And I will say the shades are pretty, not my personal type, but they are pretty. Lastly, I want to clear one thing. The formula is not transfer proof or smudge proof, so you have to reapply, especially if you eat something, you have to reapply. Other than that, I will say it's a good formula. सो इन माई फाइनल रिव्यू आई विल से आई थिंक इट्स अ गुड प्रोडक्ट. आप अपने पसंद के शेड्स ले. फॉर्मूला अच्छी है, प्रोडक्ट अच्छा है, बट आप सेल के लिए वेट कर सकते हो. बाय द वे, आई लाइक इट. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. It means a lot that you guys watch my videos. Please like and subscribe and help me grow my channel. Thank you so much. Bye.